Okay, we're good.
Uh,
So the homework, not the homework, the whatever that's called, the prep stuff, I thought was super easy.
There was one, and I just got a different answer than the answer key.
Oh, okay.
On number 9, I got .0093 and not 99.
Oh.
And so the answer key says 99, and I just cannot figure out where they got that.
Yeah. Let me do that one again, because I just wrote down the answers, but I can't remember. I did it now. Oh, okay, I got .0092.
Okay, so I'm just going to go with it was a misprint on the answer key.
Yeah.
Because I reworked that problem so many times, and I've always gotten the same answer.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. So I'm going to say okay. I'm good with that.
Yeah. I'm going to try one other thing really quick. You know what? I think they used the 8%. Because they
Where
give
did
you
they get 8%?
The 8% is, they're trying to find the probability that more than 60 phone users.
Okay.
So I think since there's the true population one, and then, wait. Yeah. I think the 7% is like the true mean, but then 8% is what we use, maybe. I just think it's weird that they used 7% as the mean for half of the answer, and then they used the 8%.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense to me, but. Yeah, because that's 99. So they must have switched it over.
Yeah.
But I don't know why you would have done that. That doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
I think it was a misprint still. I'm still going with it. I think they must.
Yeah.
Because it just doesn't make sense to change that.
Yeah. They didn't do that in any of the examples, I don't think.
No.
Okay. Quiz time?
Sure.
yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
Woo!
I think for number 3, it's B.
Yeah. The represents a category.
Yeah.
4 is C then. The only difference between the two are
Mhm.
largest to smallest.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think 5 is sample proportion.
I think it is too.
I think so. Then N is the sample size.
Yep.
Yeah, that was like the easiest one so far.
I was like, okay, I'm pretty sure the other ones don't make sense.
Yeah. 7 would be 40.
Yeah, 40, yeah. That'll equal 10.
What is the mean would be 0.4, right? For number
Yeah.
8. Okay.
Yeah.
Something that I didn't really understand because I think it's I do believe it's point 0.4, but then in the homework it was saying something like only if the number is large enough, but then they're not using numbers that are more than 30. So I don't know if I misread something, but what's a number that's large enough? Is it
So you have
over
to
10?
check. Yeah, you have to check n times p. You have to make sure that is over 10.
Oh, okay, yeah, now I understand. Okay, yeah, yeah, sorry. I was like, I'm not
Yeah.
understanding why it's always the same mean. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
For the standard deviation, I got 0.1.
Okay.
But I've been doing these backwards all
Oh.
yesterday. So I'm double checking that.
Okay. 0.4 times 0.6.
Oh, yeah, point 1, yeah.
Check. Minus 1 flow. Yeah, 0.1. Okay.
0.1. Yay!
Woo! Here's the following. So, this one's the same kind of thing because we had 0.3 is your batting average, which is that same as the 7% mean in the question, and then it's asking for she'll get more than 35 hits out of the next 100, so that's 0.35. It's like that 8% in the other one.
Yeah.
So for the standard deviation, should we use the 0.35?
Okay, what was number?
Is it 0.35 on number 10?
Yeah.
As well?
So number 10 is 0.35, right?
Wait. Would it be? Hold on.
Because I'm looking at it as 35 over 100.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking at as too.
Wait, where are you getting 0.35 over 100 from?
Or 35 over 100. Because she
Yeah,
gets
just
35 hits in her next 100. So the problem... Maybe I'm misreading this question.
I thought, so, okay, for standard deviation, I've been doing that radical p times 1 take away p over n.
Right. But first
Yeah,
you have
exactly.
to know what is the p hat. So is that 0.1 or is it 0.03 or 0.3?
P hat or p?
Number 10, the p hat. That's where I think I'm stuck.
Okay.
Yeah, because to find the p hat, it would just be x over n, wouldn't it? And then
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, yeah,
yeah,
I'd say 0.35 then.
Okay. So standard deviation.
Because
So
yeah,
the
it's
standard
weird because
deviation?
in the equation it doesn't use p hat, but
Yeah, it just uses P.
in the homework they definitely use p hat instead of p to get that 0.099.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But if
Yeah,
you watch the
because in the
video, because that's
videos
where I
it
was
just uses
kept getting
P.
stuck. Yeah, he didn't use, like, if when I did the math,
P
like
hat.
it should have been right. So that's why I'm really just frustrated.
So would this be 0.046 standard deviation?
Ooh, hold on. Let's see.
So why are we using 0.3 versus 0.35? I think is my question.
I am looking through right now on the lesson to see if it says anything about it.
Okay.
I think there was an example similar to this.
Okay, so I think whenever you have, let's see, well, wait, never mind. Nope. Yeah, I think we use 0.3 here.
Okay.
Because they have an example of a coin toss, and they
Exactly.
have, like, how many were observed out of the total, so that would be the p hat value, and then they have the true mean, which is 0.5, which would be like the batting average, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So 0.046,
6.
yeah.
So I think that would mean that the Z score is 1.087.
Hold on. Let's see. I got 1.0910. What'd you get?
I got 1.087. Let's see what I did.
Okay, that can't be right. Yeah, I got 1.087 when you round it.
Let me try it again then.
What are you using as your...
So I'm using 0.35 as my p hat. and point 3 and point 3 as my P.
Okay.
And then let's see.
So we're using the same. I mean, let me double check mine.
So then it would just be 0.05 over 0.046.
Yeah, I didn't round it. I used that 0.0458, whatever, that whole long one.
Oh,
Okay.
And that's why it's different.
Yes.
should I not round it? So,
I wouldn't round it just because the z-score formula doesn't, like, if you were to not round it and just plug in all the numbers straight through.
okay. So did you leave it as 0.0458? Or just
What I ended up doing was, instead of shortening it to, like, the standard deviation that we found, I just used that radical p times 1 take away p formula in the z-score formula. So I didn't carry over any numbers.
Oh.
Okay, when I do that, I get 1.0910.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay. Yeah, that changes it. That's probably the best way to do it.
Okay.
So was it 1.091?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
What is
Okay. For the probability, I got 0.138.
Yeah.
How did you get that? Because that's
I plugged that z-score we got into the applet,
okay.
and then only shaded the right because we want at least 35.
That's what I'm doing wrong. Okay, so you got, what did you get again? 0.1?
0.138.
Yes, okay. Helps if you don't shade the wrong part.
Two portion. Okay. 0.52 equals 2,000. Wait, okay. So for this, we use 0.52, not 0.5 for the standard deviation, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. I got 0.011.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't get that.
Oop. If you use 0.52 times 0.48 over 2,000.
Let me double do. Yeah, because that's what I did. Let me. Oh, never mind. I did it over 200. Okay.
Ah, there we
Do it
go.
again. Where did I?
Gotta change it.
How
Okay, and then let's see the score. This would be 0.50.
I got negative 1.818.
Oh, I got negative 1.790.
What did I do? um,
Let me try it again.
go for it. Yeah, the same.
Yeah, I still get negative 1.790.
Um, so to get the z-score, do we have to do 0.5 minus 0.52
Mm-hmm.
and then divide that by the 0.011?
Yeah.
It's weird, yeah, because I keep doing that. I keep getting the negative 1.818. So what am I doing? Okay, 0.5 minus 0.52.
Okay, why are you using 0.011 as your second number? Because that's the standard deviation. I didn't think it was the standard deviation we used. So
Wait, what?
I'm confused on how to solve this problem, I guess.
So what I did was 0.50 take away 0.52 divided by, and then the radical 0.52 times 0.48 over 2,000.
Okay. That makes more sense. Okay.
So it's negative 1.799, you said again?
Negative 1.790.
Okay, I did not. Let me redo my math because I didn't get that. And I wrote this out.
Yeah, it's weird. I keep getting the same negative 1.818.
I got negative 1.707. So.
Oh my
What am
gosh.
I,
Okay.
what am I doing? Like, I feel like
Yeah, I can't figure out what I'm doing wrong either.
Oh
So.
my gosh. Let's see. Alright.
Okay, there's my mistake.
I still keep getting the same answer.
I found one of my mistakes. Let me see if I made any more.
yeah, it's weird. I don't know why I keep getting this answer.
Okay, I got
Maybe
what you. I got negative 0.1790.
Oh.
Okay. Hey, what are you doing?
I don't know. Like, my calculator just keep giving me the same. So, okay, let me just make sure I'm doing this right. So it's 0.50 minus 0.52,
Mm-hmm.
and then I get negative 0.02, correct?
Right.
Yeah.
And then Are you guys dividing that by 0.011?
You have to write it out more. So I
Yeah,
did point
0.011711392.
Yeah.
That is what I'm doing wrong then.
Yeah,
Okay.
because if you don't,
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I see now. Okay, perfect.
Okay. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Then for the
Awesome.
next
Sorry guys.
one,
I was like, what am I doing?
it's all about rounding.
yeah.
The next one I got less than.
Exactly. So this will be B, right?
Uh-huh. And then when I plugged that in, I got 0.037.
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna submit it.
Yeah, let's do this.
94%. Oh, that true population versus sample proportion, not population. Ugh.
Oh yeah.
Number.
Okay. Let's see. So.
That's weird. How is that?
Oh,
Maybe
I
I'm
even have that written down in my notes now that I look at it. Shoot. Ah. Okay.
See, and I still think when you read it, where is that in the reading? Because I don't remember reading that P was the true population,
Yeah,
true
let me find
proportion.
it
Where did
for
I?
you. It
Yeah.
was. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's
In the
kind of near the
summary?
bottom. It is in the section 3.1 example. Toss me a coin.
Okay.
And it's in that little box of answer the following questions. And it talks about the standard deviation, and then it says where P is the true population proportion.
Oh, I see that
Okay,
now.
that makes much more sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oy.
Awesome.
Oh, and it's also in
Okay.
the summary. It says P hat is a point estimator for true proportion P. Yeah. Is that
Okay.
the only one we missed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm glad we kind of figured out the P hat versus P.
Yes.
Yeah. This is not too bad.
Starting to make a little more sense.
A little bit. A little bit.
When I finally think I have it, then something happens. So I'm just
Yeah,
giving up.
true. Very true. Okay.
Oh,
So,
was gonna ask, what are we doing for that, for the group thing?
oh yeah,
That's a good question.
is part of
Maybe I need
it.
to rewrite that up.
Yeah, cause I got the your email, Carlene, and I forgot what it was that we were thinking about doing first. Like, I think it was cereal, and then uh, we thought of something shopping online. Was it or?
Yeah, if we don't want to do cereal because you don't have access to the Lucky Charms, do we need to
Yeah,
change it?
exactly. Yeah, all I have access to is the off-brand, the cheapo meal. Not cheap, the multiple meal, Lucky Charms. Like the ones that come in the big bags. Like those are like the
Hmm.
only American ones that I could get my hands on.
We have access to those here if we want to do that instead.
Yeah, we could do that.
So change it to the matzo meal. and see if the percentage. Let's see what they
Yeah.
advertise.
The
I was going to
only-
say
What? What were you gonna say?
we just need to decide what we're going to survey.
Yeah. So the thing with the multi-meal bags is that it's not gonna be like the marshmallows at the bottom of the box because the bags lay flat.
Yeah.
So they're gonna be a lot more evenly spaced out.
That's true.
So what we could do is, you know how the ANOVA tests, you you have your like 6 samples or however many you have, and see if they are equal means.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering if we could put like the amount of marshmallows in a serving size as like throughout the bag, each of us do our bag, and then compare the 3 tests and see if they differ between bags.
So
Okay.
amount of marshmallows per bag.
Not per bag, but per serving. So like
Like a cup.
I would take a scoop or however much we decide the serving size is. I don't know what it is. And then you count how many marshmallows are in there, and then for the ANOVA test, you write on each like line down, so each row, and do that throughout the whole bag, counting the marshmallows for each serving, and then we can have your data and my data and the third data as like the comparing the 3, just like yeah.
It varies.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then we could see,
Okay.
we'd be comparing, instead of comparing between serving size throughout the bag, we'd be comparing between bags.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So, like, I'd be comparing my bag's mean with Carlene's and with Abe's.
Okay.
Sorry, I can't say you because I, like, don't know who I'm talking to. But you know what I mean.
Yeah.
I get it.
Okay. Should we do that then?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll work on that, and then I
Yeah.
will get that emailed out to you tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Or tonight.
That's not due
Okay.
officially till Saturday, right?
Right.
Okay. And then we have to figure out, because on that we have to write down what part each of us are doing, right?
Yes, that's the big thing.
Okay. So, let's see. We each do collect the data. I can do describe the data. Do you know what the different, like what take action is?
Take action.
I don't know. I haven't looked at like what we're supposed to do with the take action.
Yeah, I'm
Because
opening
I'm sure
it right
there's-
now.
Yeah, I think take action might, like anyone could really almost do take action, because I think that's just like, say it's like if we find that there's more food, or like just cheaper flights, say like on every 15th day. I think take action might be something like buy it on the 15th day or something like that.
Let's see. Okay, it looks like make inference is combined with take action. So you need to have 1 or 2 paragraphs discussing whether or not your data meets or fails the requirements of your hypothesis test using a QQ plot or box plot. Then you need to state your null and alternative hypotheses, your alpha level, your test statistic and its value, your p-value, and whether or not the null hypothesis should be rejected.
Okay. Yeah, it really doesn't matter. I could do that.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, wait, pause. Okay. Make inference, that's that section, and then take action is just at the very end of this paper. So it says 1 to 2 paragraphs describing the action you suggest based on the results of your study.
Well,
that
I
could
could do
even be
both of
the.
them as well.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't want to do step 4 and 5.
Okay. I can do describe the data / let's see. What is describe the data? Open. And then I think we need to have, let's see, a PowerPoint presentation too.
Yes,
Oh yeah.
I can do that.
Okay.
And you can be the lovely proofreader for that. I can't spell.
Okay, I can do that. Let's see. Okay, and then the evaluation part we each do, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So when do we have? So we have to have the data collected in 2 weeks from this Saturday.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Okay. Yeah, I see that. Okay. Yes, I guess it's not too bad.
Yeah. We
Yeah.
can
So
do
like
that.
the cereals that we like, I guess like I say big bags, but they're more like medium bags. You know, because I've seen some small bags and they're like bigger than the small bags. I guess it's the medium one because I know the big ones are huge.
The big ones
So
are
I'm trying.
huge. I'm not
Yeah.
doing the serving size throughout that whole bag. That'd be
Yeah,
one
so
long day.
yeah, I just kind of have like the medium ones that I guess might have like I don't know, I guess maybe like 12 to 16 servings that they normally say, but
Okay. I don't know if ours have like different ones. So why don't you,
just buy one and show you guys maybe.
yeah, like email us the serving amount or something.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. It's like the marshmallow mateys or something like that.
Yeah, exactly, that's the name. Yeah, Marshmallow Mateys.
Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure
Okay.
I've seen that here. So.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right. I will work on that.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. And then tomorrow, 5 o'clock, and hopefully
Yeah.
it works this time.
Exactly.